I teach in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina at Palmetto Christian Academy, and I teach high school English language arts and a Holocaust and Genocide literature and history course. I have taught about the Armenian Genocide in my course, and then I teach Aurora's memoir, Ravished Armenia.
My two aunts was killed right before my eyes. They tie up my hair, and then they killed. Please, I said, save them. No, that sooner or later you're gonna die. There will be no one single Armenian to leave.
This week, however, is giving me the historical basis to prep the students even better for her experience and what happened to the people. We don't really understand what was lost if we don't understand the people and their culture and the cities and families that existed before the genocide. So I loved learning about that. I teach at a Christian school, and I do bring in the Christian aspect of the genocide. The Armenian people were targeted for various reasons, economic reasons, cultural reasons, as scapegoats in the failing empire, but they were also targeted because they were Christians. Hearing about the Artsakh War was very new to me because it struck me that here in Armenia, and now for us too, we're going to try and teach the history of genocide in the shadow of genocide that's continuing. And that's a very humbling thing, and to see the young people who are affected by that, sitting in front of us, and they've lost people, and their bravery to come out and still share those stories of trauma, because it re-traumatizes them every time they share. That has been a beautiful experience, and I treasure it, and I thank you for it.